Do you want to make a quick buck online without breaking a sweat? Well, we've got a game changer for you. Imagine earning up to $65 an hour without even having to sell a thing. That's right. It's one of the easiest yet most effective side hustles out there, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of online income. And here's the kicker: you don't need a fancy website. You don't need a legion of social media followers, and you don't need to fork out any cash to get started. Stick around to uncover this lucrative AI side hustle that's taking the online world by storm. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. All right, let's kick things off. The first step on our money-making journey is to hop over to a little gem of a website called Listworse.com. Now, this isn't your average site. It's a treasure trove of bizarre and downright weird stories that folks just can't resist clicking on. We're talking about tales that make you double take and stories that give you goosebumps. But here's the beauty of it: you don't have to be a wordsmith. And you certainly don't need to spend hours reading through these tales of the unexpected. All you need to do is head straight to the most popular section, dive into the biz category, and cherry-pick something juicy. Think top 10 creepiest mysteries of the internet now. That's bound to grab attention. Trust me, folks, this is where the magic happens. Here's the next step in our simple money-making strategy. Once you've found that attention-grabbing article, it's time to work some picture magic. First up, snag a screenshot of the article's main image that's your eye-catching thumbnail sorted. Then dive into the article itself. Give it a read-through and see if there are any more images you can snatch up. If there aren't, no sweat, you've still got your main visual hook. Now here's where the money part comes in. Copy that article's URL. Yep, just highlight it, hit copy, and you're golden. See, the platform we're about to unleash pays you every time someone clicks on your link. That's right, no hard sells here. All folks need to do is click, and you're cashing in. It's the secret sauce behind all those folks raking in dough worldwide. Sure, it might not make you a millionaire overnight, but hey, it's a sweet little earner for your downtime. And the best part, you're not even breaking a sweat selling anything. Now we'll talk about the platform that's about to turn those clicks into cash: ShrinkMe. This nifty tool is your ticket to turning those long URLs into bite-sized links that pack a punch. Here's the lowdown. ShrinkMe is what's known as a paid link shortening service. In plain English, they slap some ads onto those shortened links, and every time someone clicks, you get a slice of the ad revenue pie. It's that simple. They make money, you make money. That's the beauty of it. And guess what? People are cashing out daily with this trick. So, to get you started, hit that register button, create your account, and dive right in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your shiny new dashboard, although it might show a big fat zero in earnings for now, but hey, we're just getting started. To get the ball rolling, head over to the new shorten link section, paste in the URL of that tantalizing blog article you've chosen, hit the magic shorten button, and presto, you've got yourself a snazzy, bite-sized link that leads straight to the same juicy article. Now here's where the real fun begins. Every time someone clicks on that link and dives into those bizarre stories, you're raking in the dough. Sure, it might not be enough to buy you a mansion, but hey, it's as easy as pie getting paid just for someone clicking. Now that's what I call lazy money-making at its finest. Now give your promotion some serious pop. Head on over to canva.com. Trust me, it's your new best friend for whipping up eye-catching designs. And the best part, it won't cost you a dime. Once you've signed up, did I mention it's completely free? It's time to get creative. Start by selecting the perfect canvas size. We're talking 1080 by 1080 for that sleek, professional look. Next up, hit the upload button and toss in that attention-grabbing image you snagged from the article. To jazz it up a bit, head over to the elements section and spice things up with a gradient. Then, dive into the text section and slap on the article's title, in our case, Top 10 Creepiest Mysteries of the Internet. Play around with fonts until you find the perfect fit. Sorry, SpongeBob. Maybe next time. You can even spice things up by highlighting keywords for extra oomph. Once your promo design is looking fly, hit that share button, give it a quick download, and voila, you've got yourself a killer promo image, ready to reel in those clicks with just one click of a button. Spread the word far and wide. Our next stop is imgur.com, the holy grail of image sharing, with millions of eager eyes scrolling through each day. Believe it or not, folks who post their designs here can rack up tens of thousands of views in no time. Take this one, for example, nearly 50,000 views for a simple meme. It's like a virtual playground where people come to entertain themselves, making it the perfect spot to showcase our promo. Plus, it's the ideal audience for us since we're not peddling anything, just pure entertainment value. So, let's get ready to catch some eyes. Now it's time to unleash your masterpiece on Imgur. Hit that new post button and upload the promo image you whipped up with Canva. Keep it simple, use the same catchy title you've been rocking. And in the description, drop a casual click here to read for free. Now, here's the golden ticket. Head back to your ShrinkMe account, grab the shortened link for that same article, and paste it right there in your Imgur post. Boom! Now, anyone who stumbles across your post can dive into that juicy article for free. And every click means cha-ching for you. It's a win-win. Share it with the community, post it publicly on Imgur, and watch those clicks roll in. And hey, remember you're not selling a thing, but you're still cashing in on those clicks. But here's the real kicker. To maximize your earnings, don't stop at just one design. The more you share, the more clicks you'll snag. So go ahead, let your creativity run wild, the sky's the limit. Pinterest is our next stop on the money-making train. Sign up for free, hit that create button, and upload that same killer design you crafted earlier. Paste in the shrink link to your article, throw in the same catchy title, and for the description, why not just copy and paste a snippet from the article itself? It's all about keeping it simple and snappy. Once you've got it all set up, hit publish to your account and watch the magic happen. Remember, the key here is quantity. The more designs you share, the more traffic you'll reel in. And here's the beauty of it all, you're not selling a thing. People see your pin, they click on the link, and you earn money. It's as easy as pie. Let's explore yet another avenue for boosting your earnings, Mewe.com. Think of it as a Facebook alternative, but with a twist. Here, you can join various groups covering a wide range of interests. The beauty of it, you've got access to thousands of folks sharing all sorts of things. Now here's where it gets interesting. By posting in these groups, you can snag some serious traffic. But here's the trick. Make sure you're posting in groups that are relevant to the article you're sharing. Maybe it's a group that loves weird stories or one that's all about entertainment, you get the drift. Join the right groups, share those articles, and watch the clicks roll in. And here's the cherry on top. Not only are you earning money without selling a thing, but you're also helping out those folks over at Listworse who are hungry for views on their articles. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now here's where things get juicy. If you're ready to take it up a notch, head back to Listworse and click on More. It's time to get paid. Here's the deal. Listworse offers a sweet $100 payout for articles you submit yourself. Yep, you heard that right. A cool Benjamin just for sharing your article. Simply hit up the submission form, send in your article, and watch the cash roll in. Now here's the genius part. Once your article is approved, share it like wildfire. You're not just driving traffic to your article, you're pocketing $100 for it too. And guess what? You're still raking in those sweet clicks from ShrinkMe with every reader who clicks through. It's a double whammy of earnings without so much as lifting a finger to sell a thing. But here's the kicker, the more views your articles rack up, the more Listworse is likely to approve. Before you know it, you could be rolling in hundreds of dollars a day, all while kicking back and watching that passive income stream from ShrinkMe. Now that's what I call making money moves without breaking a sweat. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's money-making adventure. But before you go, let me leave you with a burning question. What's stopping you from diving into this lucrative side hustle and making some serious cash online? With Listworse's $100 payout for your articles, you're not just earning passive income, you're pocketing some serious dough up front. It's a win-win situation. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button if you're ready to kickstart your money-making journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. Until next time, thanks for watching. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.